let's do a quick exterior difference overview of the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque versus the older model. So yeah, the front bumper is a little different. Generally the same headlight shape and the grille. Classic Range Rover look. So this 2020's got the R dynamic package. It's a little more aggressive. And one main thing is on the side, the door handle on the older one, just the old school grab handle style. And then on the 2020, we have the fancy retractable handles you see on the full-size Range Rover. Still the same general sloped down roof line. Tail light's a little different too. So you got this swooping in design there. Yeah, the back end definitely looks much more aggressive compared to the older one. All right, let's take a look in the interior. This is the 2017 model year interior. So it's got the mechanical dials with the screen in the center. Now we're in the 2020 new model. Door panel is significantly different. Then you have the 12-inch interactive digital display. Touch Pro dual center control stack that you see on the Velar and the full-size Range Rover. And the shifter is different too. Much more cleaner center stack looking as well. Yeah, so on the exterior it doesn't look that much different, but definitely a major change on the interior. All right, thanks for watching. This is Kevin. My number is 425-445-6137. If you're looking for a Range Rover, Land Rover in the Seattle area, please text me or call me. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.